So today I'm about to show you how to use Claude to generate SEO titles in Shopify. First, open Claude AI and prepare your product data. To write massive amounts of search optimized metadata quickly without manual typing, go to your Shopify dashboard. Navigate to products, select the items you want to optimize, and click Export as CSV. Open a new chat in Claude and click the paperclip icon to upload that product spreadsheet. Instead of asking Claude to write just titles, you need to give it a strict search engine optimization parameters. Type a high utility execution prompt like act as an expert e-commerce SEO specialist, review this product catalog, and write a high converting search optimized SEO title. Pro tip: don't waste hours copying and pasting those new titles back into Shopify one by one. Ask Claude to format the output into a ready-to-import spreadsheet format. Use the prompt like, take these new SEO titles and format them into a 2-column markdown table. And the first column must match the exact product handle from my uploaded file. And the second column must be a new SEO title under the header SEO title. And that's it. That's how to use Claude to generate SEO titles in Shopify. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.